What's up YouTube? It's your boy Sketa once again here, well, making a video of course for you guys because I love you. So yeah, so for today guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a Marauda, how the fuck you spell it actually. Yeah, so yeah, it's gonna be a bass, fat bass, something like that, very similar I believe. And I pretty much think that it's gonna be dope. Yeah, of course it's gonna be dope, why not? So without other talking guys, let's get started. Well guys, before we start I wanna say something. At the end of every video from now on I'm gonna give a shout out, and also I'm gonna play a small cut of your track. So if you want your track featured in my videos, all you have to do is send me a DM on IG with your track. I will check it, if I like it, I play it. That's simple. So let's start it. Okay guys, let's start. First of all, I'm gonna play a little bit to see what I did here, and then I'm gonna show you the sound inside this serum. So keep it tight. Sick, right? Of course it was sick. Now this is the patch, Marauda bass 1. Okay, yeah. So let's start. First of all, we're gonna activate noise oscillator. Aircon number 2, you can find it on Organics, Aircon number 2. After that, phase all the way down, random all the way down, press the keyboard button, and pitch at -59 semitones. Pan, leave it right there, and level all the way up. No filter, yeah. No LFOs as I see here. So after that we go to the effects. You can use hyperdimension to make it feel a little bit bigger. After that we use distortion, tube, drive at 73%, mix all the way up. Then after that compressor, multiband, gain up at 13.8 dB. Use a filter, reverb, and cut off at 39 Hz, rest all the way down, drive down, dump down, pan, leave it right there, mix all the way up. So this is for inside the serum, but we have to do actually a little bit more outside of the serum. First of all, we're gonna need an EQ8. I mean, let me show you the sound without the EQ in the after process. Okay, limiter is fine. It's weak, but with the EQ we give extra sub bass, and after that we're gonna use an OTT. If you don't use Ableton, you can use the OTT from X4 Records, it's the same. After that we use a phaser, 4 poles, attack 6 ms, rate 0.50 Hz, phase 180, release 200, all the way up, frequency, dry wet all the way up, frequency 1 kHz, and feedback 0.12. Guys, if you don't use Ableton, actually I don't know, it's so important. Yeah, just find the phaser, yeah, okay. After that, a bit warmer is the saturator, and if you don't use Ableton, once again, this is a distortion effect. Use your distortion effect, okay, that's simple. A little bit of reverb, but as you see, very low settings, 11% and 432 ms, milliseconds, ms, whatever. After that, chorus, high pass 1 kHz, 23% dry wet, amount 1.22 ms, rate 2.29 Hz. Okay. After that, I used a little bit of, it makes it a little bit more crispy, and it's Redux. You can find it here. This is the settings of hard 2. Very simple. I use the utility to remove a little bit of the sound. Actually, not remove. I just use a little bit of utility, minus 5 dB. That's all. And after that, without any logic, I use a limiter in giving 7 dB, which I could do actually this. The exact same thing. So after that, you better make a sample. It's gonna be something like this, and after that you can cut it. Yeah, something like that. And this is it. You can use also an EQ, fix the frequencies that you don't want. You know what I mean, okay? So guys, yeah, this is it. I'm gonna have the preset in the description. Don't forget, make it a sample and then play with it as you like. So guys, that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you thought it was helpful, don't forget, like and subscribe, bitch. And also comment down below. I love reading and replying to your comments. You know me, guys. So, see you next time.